How to order on Wolt App. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm particularly excited about today's video because I'll be teaching you how to order on Wolt App. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So when you launch your Wolt App on your mobile phone, this screen will be displayed on your mobile phone. You see a picture that looks like a map. Here you can scroll through the map to see where the nearest Wolt location close to you. So if you want to check the nearest Wolt location close to you, you can go ahead and just check it. Like you can see several locations where Wolt is located here. So at the lower part of your screen, you see icons. You see 5 icons. You see the discovery icon, and that is where we have the under the discovery icon is where we have the map picture where you can discover where what is on the map. Then the next icon is restaurant. Then the next one is the third icon is stores. The fourth icon is search, and the fifth icon is profile. So what is just an online restaurant or an online delivery office where you can place your order from a restaurant. So they'll help you get your food from the restaurant and bring it to you. So it's basically about food delivery. So if you want to get if you want to order of food in a restaurant, you can use Wolt App and your food will be delivered to you at your doorstep. So now to order on Wolt, you take a look at the lower part of your screen again. The last icon, which is the fifth icon on the row, which is a profile icon, is the icon you're going to click on. So once you click on it, you can go through the page. You can go to the page. You can go through the list and see. So if the order is not here, you go back to. You can click on restaurant. Restaurant is the second icon on the list. Like I said earlier, you click on restaurant. Restaurant is the second icon on the list. Here on my screen, it's saying that restaurants on Wolt are not they are not restaurants or Wolt that are close to me right now. But for you on your screen, it should show a list of restaurants on Wolt that are near you. So once you see anyone that is nearest to you, you click on it and you place your order. So the fault is not from me, it is from the Wolt app. So, and here they said they are going to work on it to expand their capacity. So for you can click on the restaurant icon, then the list of restaurants will be displayed on your screen. So you choose the one that is close to you. The nearest one to you is the one you're going to choose to place your order. So that's it. You can try it out too. So this is simply how to order on Wolt App. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.